Hey, all right. In Chapter 40, we're going to talk about the circulatory system. So we talked about respiration, which is how you get, oxygen into your body, and the circulatory system is how it gets transported around your body. Because, of course, our bodies are very large, and you can't just have the oxygen being in and near your lungs, right? You need it in the tips of your fingers, too. So in section 1, we're just going to go over the circulatory system. You're going to be able to describe an open and a closed circulatory system. You're going to be able to tell the difference between interstitial fluid and hemolymph. You're going to compare and contrast the organization and evolution of the vertebrate circulatory system. In section 2, we're going to talk about components of the blood. You're going to compare red and white blood cells, and you're going to be able to describe blood plasma and serum. In section 3, we're going to talk about the heart and blood vessels. So you'll be able to look at the structure of the heart and explain how cardiac muscle is different, describe the cardiac cycle, and explain the structure of arteries, veins, and capillaries, and how blood flows through the body. We'll come back to cardiac muscle as well in the muscle chapter. I don't know which chapter it is off the top of my head. In the last section, you're going to talk about blood flow and blood pressure regulation. This is another big area where you might think it doesn't apply to you when you're 22 years old, but it will definitely apply to you when your parents are older or when you yourself are older. So pay attention to the blood pressure stuff. Pro-life tip. All right, I'll see you in the next chapter.